In this video, I'm going to show you how to search in your Yahoo Mail. So you can go through and instead of just scrolling through hoping to find the email that you want to find, it's easy just to search through it and find it and filter through it. So let's go to our Yahoo Mail. And as you see, I'm just in my primary inbox. So let's say, for example, I wanted to look up a return for Amazon. It's real easy to do. The only thing you have to do is go to the magnifying glass at the very bottom of your screen here. And what we can do is go ahead and hit return, and then we would go ahead and hit search. Now, as it's going through, it's going to search through your inbox and come up with every email that has return either in the title or the description. You can go through and filter this even more, so we can go ahead and hit return and then go ahead and hit Amazon, and that will just more precisely find what you need to find, and then you can go through and really be able to search through your Yahoo Mail. We could keep on doing this, and let's just say, for example, let's just choose this one here where it says Empire Today. So what we can do, if you wanted to find an email, go ahead and go and type in Empire Today. And then it's going to filter through and find all those emails that come up with that specific description, and you'll be able to go through and filter through those emails. What you can also do is go ahead and filter through certain email addresses if you know the email. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in how to genius 1990. So you can go through and filter in through the actual email address as well if you know the person's email. And that's pretty much it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and search within your Yahoo Mail.